Hello and welcome back to another edition of Check It Out. Okay friends, I can't believe it, but I just made a video on how to remove permanent marker like this Sharpie right here. And my 1.5-year-old got my Sharpie and just wrote this mark right here on my computer. So check it out. Here's what you do. The dry erase markers, for whatever reason, when you go on top of these permanent markers, I mean, this is Sharpie, this is real. There's no way I'm getting that off. I can't think of what would possibly get it off. But if you get a dry erase like this and just mark right over it, in fact, you can kind of see how it works. Like at first it kind of, well, anyway, it kind of like takes a couple little strokes before it completely gets it to go away. But it will. And sometimes you have to go over it like once or twice, but let's see here. I mean, come on, is that not absolutely amazing or what? We'll just clean it up a little bit more. But so it doesn't work if it's on like fabric. It's not gonna work. Like you can't get a Sharpie and like write on a piece of paper or something like that. You know, it's not gonna work if I did that. But for things like this, like your computer, furniture, flooring, hard surfaces, things like that, absolutely amazing. Such an awesome trick. Hey guys, if you appreciate these things that I'm showing you guys how to do, just give the videos a thumbs up. If you really want to help out, subscribe to the channel, and I sure appreciate your help. We'll talk to you next time. I hope it works and you get that mark off. See ya.